Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back here again. So today we have another project that we have to do. This furnish and the well, we're not doing the furnish. Oh, the only thing that we have to do in the furnish is we have to remove that. What's the one again? The humidifier. And so we're enclosing it. But we're going to have 4 access door, so 2 here and 2 on this side. All right, so first things, we have to clean it out, remove this panel here and that one, and pretty much, and I think the electrical switch right there. So it's going to have a stackable, so this 2 is gonna go. Alright, so now I got the thing out. They're not working anymore, so we're just gonna put a sheet. I have that one there. I'm just close it up, and same as that one there. Alright, one more, that one. Alright, so those were done. So now let's move this one. That's the on-off for the furnish. We're just gonna move inside. So now we're gonna start the framing. So first thing, we gotta start on the upper plate, and then the two sides, and the divider post, and the other framing that goes right against the wall on that side. So there's 2x4 over there, goes there. Same here on this side, and then there's gonna be another 2 divider posts right in the middle. Alright, so let's install that small plate. Okay, so now we're gonna cut to height the stud. Alright, so now we're done on this side. Now we gotta do that side first, and in the middle. Alright, so now that's good. Now we're gonna be doing the brighter ones. No, that goes here. So the door we're gonna be using will be 34, 234 here, and it's gonna be 234 on that side also. Alright, so let's mark where the wrap-in opening. Alright, so I got it figured out. So we can't use 34. We don't have enough room. So we have to use 32. 64. Now we need a straight one. Straight line. Okay. Alright, so we can remove that one. I use this one only just to figure out where is the bottom plate, right? Very one. Alright, so that's good for now. We gotta do that one tomorrow. We have to remove it, the upper plate, because we have to move this one. We're gonna bring it in, the upper plate. So I'm gonna replace that top plate. Okay, so we're back here. So this door that we have to remove. We have to replace the upper plate. All right. Okay. There you go. Alright, so this is right. Okay, so now let's do the upper plate. So now we're gonna put some bracing. Either two, I'll put probably one here, or one in the middle. That's good. All right, so now we can start putting the door jamb. The top, we're gonna start the top one first. Then we're gonna install the two side for the door. Okay. That's it. What happened? What's wrong? All right, so now let's go on that side. All right, so now let's start to install the door jambs. I have something that I need to touch. So I did the first coat here already. So we're gonna do probably 2 more coats. All right, that's it. All right, so right now I have all the molding ready. So I guess I'm gonna start on the side first. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. Now that's done. This one here. That one here. There you go. Now this one here. The top one I'll do it tomorrow. It's already getting dark. Now we have to patch. We don't want to see the seam, so we gotta patch it. So we can also use this. We're gonna use a wood peel. Okay, let's do first coat. All right, so the last term works that we're going to do are those two pieces. All right. All right, so let's put this up. All right, so now we just finished our wrapping trim works, wrapping opening for the four doors. The next one now we have to do is the doors. We have to do some modification. One of that door that goes on that side. I think it's only one. Probably this one too might be. All right, so that's it for today. And then for the part 2, that's what we're going to do, the doors in the painting. Thanks again for watching.